wonder how it just started raining out of nowhere. Well, I'm just gonna go say hi to everyone because I just came from work. Hey guys, I got home from work. Oh, Dad, you're home. Hi, sweetie. How was your day, Dad? Yes, sweetie, how was your day? It was tiring, but I'm happy I got home. Now I'm just gonna go say hi to the twins. I'll come talk with you guys after I say hi to the twins and take a shower. Hey guys, I just got home from work.
Oh, Daddy got home. Yeah, he did. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. How was your day? Yeah, how was your day?
It was tiring. I'm just happy I'm home. Now I'm just gonna go take a shower, okay guys?
Okay. Okay.
I'm so tired. I'm so happy I'm home. Now I just gotta go upstairs and take a shower and come back down. I'm gonna go get my robe and then head to the bathroom. Okay, I have my robe. Let me just change into it. Now I just put this back and then go to the bathroom to go take a shower. Now I'm just gonna get in the tub and take a shower. Let me just turn the water on. Now I'm finally done. I just need to turn off the water and then go dry my hair. Now I just need to get the towel and then dry my hair. Breaking news, there will be a thunderstorm in Bob City. Did you guys hear the news? They said there's going to be a thunderstorm. There is? They were telling me about that today. Really? It's probably just some fake news like always. A few hours later. Come on, just make it into the ramp. Oh, come on, another commercial? Oh my gosh, yes, that's what I was telling her. I know, right? This food is gonna be so good. Just a few more minutes and it's done. I'm getting tired of these commercials all the time. Oh, come on, sweetie, don't get mad. The food is almost ready, so maybe it'll help you calm down. I literally can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Oh my goodness, this show is so funny. I know, right? The TV turned off. Let's go tell Mommy. Mommy, the TV turned off out of nowhere.
Huh? This TV turned off too. What is going on right now? Yeah. Ah, oh my gosh, my phone turned off. Goodness, stop screaming. Why are you screaming over a phone? It's just a phone.
Yeah, and what if we need it for emergencies?
Okay, just calm down. We have another phone.
Mommy, I'm scared. Me too.
It's okay, guys. Come on. Let's go to the couch. It's okay, guys. Let's go to sleep now. I wonder how this thunderstorm came. Alright, I already put the twins to sleep. Huh? My phone's not turning on either. What happened? Sweetie, I think it's because you didn't get the internet that you wanted. I don't think you paid for it either. Oh yeah, I remember that. Thanks for reminding me. Alright, well, we need the flashlights. I'm gonna tell Maya to do it. Hey Maya, can you go get the flashlight? Mom, I don't want to. I'm already sad enough with my phone turned off. For the last time, it's just a phone. Now please go get the flashlight. Number one, it's not just a phone, and fine, I'll go get it. I literally hate thunderstorms sometimes. I found the flashlight. Wait, there's only one flashlight? I have to tell Mom right now. Ugh. Mom, there's only one flashlight in that drawer. Like, how do you expect us to use this? Oh my gosh, so turn it off. Turn it off right now. Now! Oh my gosh, okay, there's no need to yell. There, I turned it off. I knew we should have bought more flashlights before this happened. Sweetie, do you think we can go get more flashlights? We also don't have food because the stove and fridge is not working, so how are we going to survive this? I hope the light turns back on and we're all really hungry. Me too. Same. Oh, well, the lights turned back on. I can finally cook for all of us. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god! Why are you screaming now? Yes, what happened? I can finally use my phone here. Oh my gosh, I have to turn this thing on right now. Teenagers. At least the light's back on. Breaking news. In Bob City, there is still going to be a thunderstorm and power outage will still occur. So just stay indoors and stay safe. Thank you, Bob City, and good night. Did you hear the news? There's going to be more power outages. I did. What? Did they just say more power outages? No!